Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some salmon soup. Here I have 300 grams of salmon, which is 2 fillets. These 2 fillets cost 250 rand, which is a little bit expensive, but it's good to eat like a king once in a while. The rest of my ingredients are, I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 onions finely cut, 4 potatoes, cubed small, and 5 carrots that are cut round thin, and 5 leeks that are also cut it very thinly. I'm going to use a grain of black pepper and a little bit of thyme and 2 garlics and a teaspoon of rough salt. I'm also going to use 3/4 cup of heavy cream, and I'm going to make 1.2 liter of stock. Before the serving, I'm going to use a splash of lemon juice. And then to garnish, I have some spring onions. We are ready now to start our soup. I have my heavy pot, which is in medium heat. I'm going to add in my oil to it. I'll allow this oil to just heat up. My oil is heated up. I'm just going to put in my onions and allow these onions fry till it's soft. I've sliced my garlic, and then I'm just going to add it to the onions together with my thyme. Let this to fry out. I'm going to add my leeks along with my carrots. I will let this to fry a little. 10 minutes has passed and my leeks are gone soft. I'm going to add in my potatoes. And give this a quick mix. To my potatoes, I'm also going to put in my salt and my black pepper. Also give this all a good mix. I will give this another 5 minutes and then I'm ready to add in my stock. 5 minutes has passed and I am ready to add in my stock. I mix my stock up in boiling water. If for some reason you have fish stock, you can use your fish stock instead of vegetable stock. I'm just going to add in the last 200 ml of water. I'll just put my lid on for it to cook until my potatoes are soft. My potatoes and my carrots are cooked. To this, I'm going to add in my heavy cream. Give this a nice mix. I cut my fillets into 4 pieces each, so I have 8 pieces here. And now I'm going to just place it into the pot. I'm going to lower my heat and I'll give the fish 5 minutes to simmer. 5 minutes has passed. Don't stir your soup after adding your fish. Now I'm ready to switch off my stove and garnish with my spring onions, and I will also allow this to rest for another 5 minutes before serving. I'll put back my lid. Here you go, your lovely salmon soup, which is ready. But before that, we will add in a splash of lemon juice to it. We are serving this with a soft buttered roll. It's still quite warm in Joburg, but it's going to get a little cool in the month of March, and this meal will make a lovely cool autumn's evening supper. I hope you give this one a try. As I said, the fish is a little bit expensive, but it's nice to treat yourself once in a while where you eat like a king. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.